except the washboard road. Yeah, the modern times done moved into town. Well, they're building it up or else they're tearing it down. Now everybody's moving to a brand new abode, but nobody thinks about the washboard road. Imagine that. Now you got your big freeway and your jumbo jet, and everybody's thinking that we ain't seen nothing yet. Yeah, everybody's thinking that they're hip to the cold, but it don't mean a thing down the washboard road. Washboard road. You see, now you're with that jug band spreading seasonal cheer, you never really know if you're gonna make it back next year. But if you don't want to let the people's spirit corrode, you better take them on a trip down the washboard road. Come on! Fellas, let's go! Washboard road!